Hello, today guys I'm going to feature this new oyster coffee maker. This is a 12 cup coffee maker from Oyster. It comes with a permanent filter so you don't have to use the reusable filters, and also there is a pause to serve, so you could pause it and you can serve your coffee, and the indicator light on and off. So what I'm going to do now is an unboxing. So as I unbox it now, you'd be able to see, and then we're gonna brew a cup of coffee, maybe a few cups of coffee, just to test it out to see how it is. Please like and subscribe. Calabash product review. Oyster coffee maker. So this is the coffee maker. Okay. It's a 10 cup coffee maker from Oyster. And in here, this is the water spout. This is the reusable filter. And this here is the brewing basket. So it fits in here. Coffee goes in here. You fit it in here. And this goes across. Now you'll not be able to shut it if it's staying in this position, because as soon as you shut it, it goes right in the position. And this is the reservoir for the water right in here. Down here we have the heating plate. This is here, and this is the on and off switch. So we're gonna brew some coffee in this Oyster coffee maker. Okay, so I've got my coffee here. I'm using these packets of coffee. Jamaica Blue Mountain Blend coffee. These come in packs, but you could also get it loose. So if you prefer the packs, or if you prefer it loose, this is the coffee here. What I'm going to do is just fill my jug with water. So I'm going to make maybe about 6 cups of coffee. Open up here. Fill the water reservoir. Place my jug down at the bottom. And I'm just going to fill in the coffee. This is it here. About 3 tablespoons of coffee. Close it out. Remember, when it's closed, the water spout goes right in the middle here. So there you have it, all brewed up nicely. Just get it off here. Nicely brewed coffee. And if you notice here, it actually would stop the leak, so it wouldn't continue to leak down on the heating plate. So what I'm gonna do is just pour this coffee out into my cup here. And there you go. Nice rich cup of brewed coffee. You could add your sugar and your milk, whatever is your preference. Oyster coffee makeup. Only on Calabash Product Review. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this coffee maker, 12 cup coffee maker from Oyster.